Welcome, today in front of me VIVO X80 Pro, and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So first, let's open the settings and then tap on the sound section. Then you'll see here notification volume panel, and just to mute this panel you should swipe this dot to the left side with your finger, and that's it. Now all your notifications, they are muted. Also, you can make it by the second way. Just first press up or down volume button here on the right side of your phone, and after that you can open the full setting or just volume panels here, and just to mute your notifications, swipe this volume panel to the down, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.